Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Times Like These by Jack Johnson. Very sweet song that we can practice our bar chords with. So we only have 4 chords. The song is in E major. First finger, second finger, third finger, E major. Then we have A major, bar chord, 5th fret, 7, 7, and 6. We also have a B major. Just move the A up, 7th fret. And we do have an F sharp minor. So that's barring 2, 4, 4. Okay. So the song starts actually, it hits a B minor. B major, sorry. And then it starts grooving on A major. So the groove is, if we keep doing this, so down, 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 smack, down, down, smack, down, smack. So you can do that, but you don't really want to stop like that. You want to smack. So you want to keep doing this. You don't really want to stop, but that's the main groove. Down, 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 slack, down, slack, down, down. F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. In the song, the only thing that changed is the first time they go to the F sharp, it's faster switching from F sharp to B. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. First and last time, it's faster. Otherwise, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the ending goes like this. F sharp, 2, 3, 4, to E major, F sharp, and end on E major. Times like these. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I will be back tomorrow with more songs. Take it easy. Be safe.